Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Reiko from Japan. This channel is all about the Go, which is an exciting and easy to start board game. In the last video, I talked about the life of Go professionals. So today, I'd like to introduce one of the most famous Japanese Go player, Yuta Iyama. To express how outstanding he is, let me introduce two facts. Firstly, he has received the People's Honor Award, which was given to only 27 people in history. Then, the prize he earned in 2015 was more than 170 million yen. It is unbelievable since the average annual income of professional Go players is 7 million yen. Yuta Iyama was born in May 24, 1989 in Osaka. He started playing Go because his father was playing a Go game on TV. At that time, he was only 5 years old, but after a few months, he became better than his dad. Since his grandfather was skilled amateur, Yuta learned from him and reached 3Q before entering an elementary school. When Yuta was 6, he met a professional, Kunio Ishii, who later became a mentor of Yuta through a local TV program of Osaka. After that, Yuta played thousands of games with his mentor and won many amateur matches. Then he became a professional Go player when he was 13. He didn't go to a high school to focus on Go. In 2005, he became 7 dan after beating Satoru Kobayashi with 9 dan and winning a tournament. At that time, he was 16 years and 4 months old, and that was the youngest record of becoming 7 dan in Japanese Go history. Then, he obtained Meijin, which is one of the 7 titles at the age of 20 years and 4 months. This was also the record of the youngest Meijin. After that, he kept going. In 2017, he won all the 7 titles in a year. This is called a Grand Slam, and of course, he was the first person who accomplished this achievement. Additionally, he won a Grand Slam the other year. This is unbelievable work, as winning even one title is the dream of Go professionals. In 2018, he received the People's Honor Award, praising the great accomplishment and appreciating that he gave inspirations to the people and society. Finally, let me introduce Yuta's motto. On a Japanese TV program, he said something like this: I always have faith in myself even when I enter a new world and no matter how difficult the situation is. And he said he learned this lesson from his first challenge to the Meijin title when he was 19. To win the title, the challenger and the title holder play 5 games and the player who won more will gain the title. As his first try, he couldn't get the title while he won the first 2 matches. He said he felt like he was losing because the opponent was so calm while Yuta won the first 2 games. Then he actually started losing the game because he couldn't control his mentality. From this experience, Yuta learned the importance of believing in himself. In top players' games, the difference in skill is very small, so keeping playing in your own way is very important, Yuta said. For beginner players, it is important to learn from others, but after learning the basics, please seek your own way as Yuta did. Today, I have explained the most famous Japanese Go player, Yuta Iyama. I'm glad if you become more interested in Go by knowing the various aspects. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.